First, the base rock should be compacted using a vibroplate. We do not recommend that a vibroplate be used to compact the GraniteCrete. The decomposed granite and GraniteCrete admixture need to be thoroughly mixed together before installation and spreading. The dry installation method involves spreading the decomposed granite and GraniteCrete admixture at the installation site before any moisture has been added. As they are spread, it is critical that sufficient moisture is added and thoroughly mixed throughout the dry material. Optimum moisture content is achieved when you clench the material in your fist and the color just starts to transfer to your hand. GraniteCrete can be walked on during the installation process. In fact, we encourage it. Walking along the edges and the corners, as this man in the orange is doing, is a great way to achieve initial compaction. To achieve final compaction, wooden hand floats can be used. We do not recommend the use of metal hand floats, as these tend to stick to the material. Careful attention should be paid to corners and edges when compacting the material. Hand tamps can be used under fences. GraniteCrete can normally be compacted around existing architecture using traditional methods. However, you may find that you need to use an alternative method when confronted with narrow spaces, such as a downspout. During quality control, you may notice screed pins that need to be hammered down into the material, thus creating a divot. The divot can be covered with loose GraniteCrete and tamped down with a hand float. Hand floats are a great way to remove any imperfections that may occur during the install.